Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing Web3 wallet on the OKX application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OKX application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account using your email address or your phone number and password. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the Exchange page. From here, tap on Wallet, which will now take you into the Web3 Wallet page. Now from this page, in order to log into your existing wallet, tap on Import Wallet. This will now show you various different options of importing your wallet. If you have backed it up to your cloud, you can use the cloud backup option. And if you use a hardware wallet, there are the options underneath as well. In order to log in using your seed phrase or private key, tap on the seed phrase or private key option. Now tap on OK, and you will then be asked to enter your seed phrase or private key. This is provided to you when you create your wallet on the OKX Web3 platform. So refer to the note that you have made and then enter the 12-word seed phrase within the given section. You can also use a QR code to log into your account by tapping on the QR code icon at the top right corner. Just enter your phrase and then tap on the confirm button. Just provide your biometrics and now you will be logged into your existing Web3 wallet account right away. You can then immediately start to send or receive crypto, and all of your previous transactions will return back as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing Web3 wallet account on OKX. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.